Gentlemen, what if I told you there's a simple 30-second trick you can do right now? No pills, no supplements, no special equipment that can instantly send blood flow right where you need it? I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, a urologist. I know for many men, especially over 50, the topic of getting and maintaining a firm erection can feel frustrating and even embarrassing. But your body already has the tools it needs. You just have to know how to activate them. The science of an erection. Let's start with the basics. An erection is a hydraulic event, blood flow in and blood trapped in. The arteries relax to let blood in, and the veins constrict to keep it there. This depends entirely on your vascular and nervous system health. But when you're stressed or have been sitting for hours, your body enters fight or flight mode. Blood flow shifts away from your pelvis to your major muscles and organs. The result? Poor circulation, weak response, and frustration. The good news is, this can be reversed in less than a minute by sending your body a conscious relax and redirect signal. That's what the 30-second reset does. Trick number 1. The 30-second reset. This is the main exercise, a simple 2-part move you can do in private. Part 1. The squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself as if sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight, chest up, and head forward. Hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds. Even if you only lower a few inches, it's fine. This activates your glutes and thighs, the largest muscles in your body, and immediately boosts blood flow through your hips and pelvis. Part 2. The pelvic floor contraction, Kegel. While holding or after standing back up, contract the muscles you'd use to stop urine midstream. Focus on lifting the muscles upward, not squeezing your abs or glutes. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release fully. Repeat a few times. This combination floods the pelvic region with blood and primes your body's natural response. Do this 2-part move 3 or 4 times in a row. Within seconds, you'll feel warmth and energy in your lower body. That's circulation waking up. You're not forcing an erection. You're teaching your body to respond again. Trick number 2. The cold water reflex. This next trick is ancient but backed by modern science. Before or during your shower, apply a quick burst of cold water to your legs, groin, and pelvic area. That brief cold shock causes your blood vessels to constrict, but as soon as the cold stops, your body responds with a powerful rebound. The vessels dilate and flood the area with warm blood. Trick number 3. The inner thigh massage. Now for a simple technique you can do anytime, especially if you've been sitting or feeling tense. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and use your thumbs to apply gentle circular pressure to the inner thigh area, close to the groin. You may feel mild tenderness, that's normal. Massage each side for 30 to 45 seconds. This releases tension in the deep pelvic muscles and improves blood flow through the femoral arteries and veins that feed your pelvis. This isn't just physical. It also calms your nervous system. Stress and tension literally restrict blood flow. By manually releasing it, you're signaling your body to relax and restore function naturally. The big picture: confidence, communication, and health. These 3 tricks, the reset, the cold burst, and the massage, aren't magic. They're simple, safe ways to help your body do what it's meant to do. But if you're having persistent issues, don't try to fix them alone. Erectile dysfunction can be an early warning sign of heart disease, diabetes, or hormonal imbalance. The most powerful trick of all is communication. With your doctor, and with your partner. Gentlemen, confidence starts with understanding your body and working with it, not against it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more straight talk medical advice for men. Let me know in the comments. Which of these 3 tricks are you going to try first? I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes. Stay well, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one. Gentlemen, confidence starts with understanding your body and working with it, not against it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more straight talk medical advice for men. Let me know in the comments. Which of these 3 tricks are you going to try first? I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Stay well, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.